What's good, YouTube? I know, bro, I don't know if the audio quality is good, but I hope it is. Basically, bro, a whole lot of things happened past week. Couldn't trade, but it was good. Got trading like off my plate, low key. It was just good to take a break because I was just like upset from just all the losses. So I kind of just cooled off of that, and yes, still in the new location. Just hey, bro, we all human, bro. Got stuff going on, but with that being said, we're back in business. I'm sure we're gonna. I'm gonna trade a micro, or at least I don't know, bro, something, because man, I don't know. I think it was just since I tried alpha traders, like things went alright, but after like 2 good days, I got way too greedy and fearful. So I got like way too confident, and basically what happened was got overconfident and lost my account. And then I'm pretty sure I did get another account or something. I don't know, bro. Just a lot happened this week for me. So now I'm logged back in, and yeah, we're back uploading videos and shit. So let me see what I could find. And news for today. News for today's good. Only really thing we're dealing with is like Empire State Manufacturing Index. It's not even red folder news at 8:30, so I don't know why my camera's blurry. Let me try to fix that real quick. Yeah, I don't. Let me see if I could fix it like this. I think it's because it's dark. It won't focus. Yeah, I don't know. Damn, bro, I'm tired. figure this out. I'm gonna pause it and then I'm gonna unpause it once I get back to the charts. I'm just trying to match charts with TradingView and TopStep. Alright guys, so obviously as y'all can see, I'm gonna be trading S&P futures, and we're just gonna do what we usually do, find some type of liquidity, like on the 4-hour time frame. Wow, bro, low key, I'm rusty. I mean, like if I turn this, I'm sure we could find liquidity. I feel like boom. 4-hour liquidity right here. Price shoots up, comes back down, probably because these 4-hour highs right here. So it goes back down, and then I mean it hits this high. So I assume that's why price came right back up. And overall price right now looks like it's bullish on the daily time frame, or well, on the 4-hour time frame. Everything looks bullish, but we have it's looking bullish right now. So on a 1-hour time frame, we're gonna check to see that liquidity, and we're gonna target highs. So we're gonna look for session highs right now. Let me write my money journal real quick. Yo, bro, tell me how these girls just call me, bro. I have no clue who they are, bro. Like at 3 in the morning, got some no caller ID, or like 2:48, whatever, same thing, bro. I don't understand it. But anyways, we have this liquidity right here. We're gonna find previous highs. So first, to make it easier on myself, I'm gonna start off by marking just boom, Asia session green. That's not London session. London session, New York session. So New York's highs were bro. Alright, boom. New York high, New York low. So we have this New York high to target. We have we have this high, this London high. And then lows, like we really have this. And then Asia session, or this London session right now, is I marked this one lighter blue because it's right now, but before we have highs. We have highs right here. When is this? London session. Or in the London session basically. We have lows. What is this? Another London session low. Honestly, let me get rid of all this. It's like too much like shit on here. Sorry if my keyboard is loud, bro. I'm still trying to figure out all the noise suppression bullshit. We have this high. That shit's dark as hell. We have highs right here. Another London session high. Highs right here that we could target. So we have 3 highs we could target, and then the obvious highs, New York highs. So mark that red. This high right here. What is this? New York. So, and then we have some lows too. Can't forget about that. But we already passed that. So there is a chance for going down. And to be honest, we are like for the 1 hour time frame in a downtrend. There's this breaker structure proves that because we break the midway point and then we just come straight down, come back up, but I don't see nothing but lower lows. I mean, this is a higher low, so honestly, yeah, lower low or a higher low because liquidity sweeps right here and prices boomed back up on the hourly. So, wow, bro. Wow, I zoned out. Yeah, we passed this low on the 5-minute time frame. As y'all could see, I like basically marked previous session highs and session lows that we could target, and man, this is rough. This slow ass shit moving slow as hell. Let me look. Let me mark this out real quick. Daily bias is bullish. Alright, so here's the plan. Um, right now I'm waiting for a good entry to target these highs. Cause we're just going straight up right now. Especially on the 5 minute time frame. I definitely expect price to drop down a little bit. I mean, this is a 5 minute time frame, so I mean, not much power in this, but seeing this a higher low gives me confidence that the price is gonna go up somewhere to here and then drop down. Definitely, I feel safer targeting this high, especially with this liquidity from over, like, just in the bag, and then this 4 hour liquidity as well hitting this. So my entry is gonna be more like, man, low key, I don't know what to look for entry. Check my notes out. I'm gonna pause the video real quick so I won't take 2 million years long ass video. Alright, so my plan right now is I'm gonna wait for like a retracement off of here, 5 minute retracement, and I'm gonna target like here's just what it's gonna look like. I'm probably just gonna keep my stop loss tight. The riskiest I'll probably do is just like 2 contracts. And then since there's gonna be two, I'll keep like the like stop loss and shit very tight, because you could lose a lot more money. Like obviously, the more you put down, the more you're risking. So, that's just how I'm gonna go about it. But let me mark this John out right here. Put a pending order. Damn, bro. I'm exactly on the money. But yeah, these are the previous highs that I'm targeting. I would go higher, but I don't even know. Alright, I put a pending order for 2. Or actually, nah. Put a stop by for 1 since that's such a big. Risk reward. RR for 4.6, but I mean, still like, bro, it's a 1-1. One to one, and yeah, just put this pending order in. I'm just gonna mark it out on here. And honestly, if it's a good retracement and I see it's a good continuation of like a bullish price or like just price movement, then I'm gonna move up the stop loss to like about here, like the bottom of this move up. And if not, like I'll probably move it to right like below this candle. Not even a candle, like it's like a burnt candle. Like it's the only way I could describe it. But um yeah, get the stop loss right there. And I'm just gonna let price figure itself out, and I will let you guys know because I'm gonna pause this, John, because I know this video already like 23 minutes, probably 30 minutes. Crazy. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch this price. I'll let y'all know. I'll be back whenever shit gets spicy. I don't know, bro. Alright, so um no way. Okay, here's the plan. No way. I can't even go for like that high. Here, I have to move my stop loss down because I would be making too much. And I moved my stop loss up to my order got filled, by the way. That's why I'm saying all this. But basically, what happened? Yeah, there you go. I'm moving my SL up because if it was down here, would have lost 500. I do not want to start off with that big of a loss, and my TP has to move down because I would have been making 2,200. Can't even make over 1,500. So now it's at 59625. There you go. So I mean, I'm targeting the middle of this high and just in general after this high. So honestly, and this TP, if I were to hit it, it would be 1,500, but not every win is gonna be big. So I'm thinking I go 6,082. Let's see what that brings us to. It brings us to 800, but that's still up in price, or 825. And honestly, I feel better uh with this 1 can't even do 103. The max is 696. I'm probably just gonna do 686. So 686.25. So it's a little above, and price is staying up, but it's not like, I mean, we'll just see what happens. I mean, so we're aiming for like a little over this. Pretty sure it's a New York high. Yeah. I'm gonna just let this play through. My stop loss isn't terrible. It could be better, but I am risking one contract, so I am playing it. And this whole industry trading is like risk part of it. Bro, I saw price go to 0. I got so scared. It just, price went back down to my entry. But it is what it is. Price isn't gonna move in your favor. At the end of the day, it's just guessing where price is gonna go. Just in very technical, in a technical matter. But there is a lot of highs up here, and price is definitely going up. Honestly, I feel better to target this high rather than, I mean, obviously I'm targeting it, but I feel better. Oh shit. I feel better targeting it when it, like, targeting the actual high instead of going for over it, because it could go a little bit like right close enough, but then not hit where like I want it to hit. So honestly, I'm gonna, like, I know it seems dumb always like just moving my TP, but I feel like in this instance it's smarter to move it to an actual like point, a reference point or some type of high, rather than try to target above a high or like some uncertain point or middle point in there. we look at this from the 1 hour time frame, we can see that it's price reacting off liquidity from like here, right here, and then for the 4 hour, I already showed you guys, but right here, and I'm pretty sure right here too. Mainly I'm talking about this one because I mean it was kind of late for sure. Like can't really say that it purely reacted off of that one, but it definitely does look like closest to it reacted off of that. But for now, I don't want this, like this video is already half an hour. Don't want y'all sit all the way through this, so I'm gonna pause it for now. I'm just gonna watch it and let y'all know whenever anything happens. Alright guys, so I'm not gonna lie, price plummeted, but it didn't hit my SL yet, but it's about there. And price like has just been like, it hasn't really been going up or down, as you can see for like the past like last 15 like 20 minutes, like 25 minutes, bro. Price was just accumulating and then it plummeted down, and now it's like I'm staring at my stop loss and like it's just, you know, it's been like that. But I'm sure like it's gonna be a loss just looking at it right now. Or well, I don't know, man. I'ma just let price do his thing. Not gonna count my chickens now. But this video is long. I am gonna stop the recording. I'm just gonna watch price after. I will let you guys know the results in like a post or something, or I mean maybe even like make a short little video of day, whatever day this is, results. But yeah, with that being said, I'll catch you guys next time. Before I end the video off right here, let me know if you guys want, if you guys like shorter videos or longer videos. I don't know. I just be doing whatever I can to like include whatever information I say or whatever observations I make into the video. So it's kind of like it's kind of like a journal, but in a video. So I could look back at it just so y'all could see it. But with that being said, I'm gonna stop the video right here, and I will see you guys in the next one.